Pranams. Students of Tabasyaamridam are going to depict slogas in the form of dance through our channel Vande Vishwabandhu. This is an easy way for a younger generation to understand the spiritual values. A sloga is generally a couplet of Sanskrit verse, especially on in which each line contains 16 syllables. Slogas which are repeated to aid concentration in meditation have its origin from the Vedic period. Chanting has discovered a variety of benefits, including the effects of raising the level of vibration of the individual practicing the chant. This makes a person practitioner gain peace, feel calm and become more centered, which in turn helps him to channelize the positive vibration received in various ways. Make sloga chanting a part of your everyday life. Sharira Madhyam Kalo. Health and wellness is targeted towards those who look for more natural and holistic means of care. To have a good start, our students are going to depict Dhanvantri mantra to overcome the current situation. Dhanvantri is a Hindu god of medicine and an avatar of Lord Mahavishnu. He is mentioned in the Puranas as the god of Ayurveda. He, during Samudra Manthan, arose from the ocean of milk with the nectar of immortality, burned the negativity.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Dhanvantaraye Amrita Kalasahastaya Sarvamaya Vinashanaya Trailokyanataya Shri Maha Vishnave Namaha. Om Namo Bhagavate Mahasudarshana Vasudevaya Dhanvantaraye Amrita Kalasahastaya Sakala Bhaya Vinashaya Sarvaroga Nivaranaya Trilokapataye Trilokanithaye Om Shri Mahavishnu Swarupa Om Shri Dhanvantari Swarupa Om Shri Shri Aushadha Chakra Narayana Swaha.
Get up early, work hard and stay positive. Chant this sloga immediately after wake up. It enhances the day.
Karagre Vasate Lakshmi Karamadhye Saraswati Karamule Stide Gauri Prabhate Karadarshanam Prabhate Karadarshanam Karadarshanam.
Bhumi Devi is considered as the goddess of patience and the third avatar of Lord Mahavishnu. This sloga is chanted before stepping on the floor. We must offer love and veneration to Bhudevi as she is the goddess mother.
समुद्रवसने देवी पर्वतस्तनमण्डले विष्णुपत्नि नमस्तुभ्यं पादस्पर्शं क्षमस्व मे पादस्पर्शं क्षमस्व मे ॐ श्री वसुन्धरये नमः।
Sloga while taking bath. An important ritual purification is bathing the entire body. This is one of the famous sloga chanted while taking bath.
गंगे च यमुने चैव गोदावरी सरस्वती नर्मदे सिंधु कावेरी जलेऽस्मिन् सन्निधिं कुरु जलेऽस्मिन् सन्निधिं कुरु जलेऽस्मिन् सन्निधिं कुरु गंगे प्रणामम्।
Light is considered as a symbol of prosperity and abundance in the Hindu religion. Light brings brightness with it and removes the darkness. Lighting the lamp gives a positive vibration and energy.
दीपं 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 शुभं करोति कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदा शत्रुं बुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय।
Food is the basic necessity of life and fulfills the necessary nutrition and energy in daily life. Grain is given the title of deity. Praying before a meal is a spiritual advantage.
ॐ ब्रह्मार्पणं ब्रह्महविः ब्रह्माग्नौ ब्रह्मणाहुतं ब्रह्मैव तेन गन्तव्यं ब्रह्मकर्म समाधिना। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ
This is a powerful protection mantra which is chanted for safe travel without obstacles and accidents. This is a devotional Hindu mantra for traveling safe in the entire world. This is from Vishnu Sahasranama.
वनमालिक निशांकी शंखी चक्री चनंतकी श्रीमन्नारायणो विष्णु वासुदेवोऽभिरक्षतु उग्रं वीरं महाविष्णुं ज्वलन्तं सर्वतोन्मुखं नृसिंहं भीषणं भद्रं मृत्युं मृत्युं नमाम्यहम्।
Slogas are not merely sound, they are vibrational energy which can unlock many dimensions. They are effective in attaining consciousness and awakening the memory power.
या कुन्देन्दु तुषारहार धवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्ड मण्डितकरा या श्वेत पद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युत शङ्कर प्रभृतिभिः देवै सदा पूजिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेष जाढ्यापः। सर्वेषां स्वस्तिर्भवतु, सर्वेषां शान्तिर्भवतु, सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु, सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु, मङ्गलं भवतु।
Sandhyanamam is considered to be an integral part of traditional Hindu religion. Hindus believe in lighting diya. Sandhyanamam is must for our younger generation as they are addicted to social media. Nama Sankirtanam Kaliyuga Moksha Nivaranam.
नारायणं भजे नारायणं लक्ष्मीनारायणं भजे नारायणं नारायणं भजे नारायणं लक्ष्मीनारायणं भजे नारायणं वृन्दावनस्थितं नारायणं देववृन्दैरभिष्टुकं नारायणं नारायणं भजे नारायणं लक्ष्मीनारायणं भजे नारायणं पङ्कजलोचनं नारायणं भक्तसङ्कटमोचक नारायणं नारायणं भजे नारायणं लक्ष्मीनारायणं भजे नारायणं रक्षितजगत्त्रयं नारायणं चक्रशिक्षिता सुरचयं नारायणं नारायणं भजे नारायणं लक्ष्मीनारायणं भजे नारायणं नारायणं भजे नारायणं लक्ष्मीनारायणं भजे नारायणं भजे नारायणं भजे नारायणं भजे नारायणं।
The power of a negative energy increases during the night. This sloga gives us peaceful sleep and protects us from negative energy. Through this sloga, we can ask forgiveness from the God for all the sins we committed knowingly or unknowingly throughout the day.
Krishnaya Vasudevaya हरये परमात्मने प्रणतक्लेशनाशाय गोविन्दाय नमो नमः। कृष्णं कमलपत्राक्षं पुण्यश्रवणकीर्तनम् वासुदेवं जगज्योति नवमि नारायणं भजे। करचरणकृतं वा कायचं कर्मचं वा श्रवणनयनजं वा मानसं वापराधं विहितमविहितं वा सर्वमेतत्क्षमस्व शिव शिव करुणाब्धे श्रीमहादेव शम्भो। स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यां परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महीमहीषां गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं लोकाः समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु लोकाः समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु सुखिनो भवन्तु सुखिनो भवन्तु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
We are so grateful for your support and the trust you have on us. For more videos, kindly subscribe our channel Vande Vishwabandhu and get notified. Thank you.